Hello students, I am Mrs. Vishaka Sherke and I will explain the example of hidden Markov model in this video. So as we have discussed currently that hidden Markov model is used for speech recognition or any activity identification. Here in this example I will explain how to calculate the sequence, how to calculate the probability of the given sequence in the given Markov chain. This diagram is called as the Markov chain. So let's read the problem. That here in this example there are two hidden states are given, that is a rain and dry. They have given with their initial probabilities along with the transitional probabilities. It's a simple Markov chain, and it shows the transition between the different state. What will be the probability when the state will change from rain to dry? What will be the probability when state will change from dry to rain? What is the probability when state will change from rain to rain? Similarly, what is the probability when the state will change from dry to dry? So generally, how to read this, how to write down, or if the given problem, if the initial probabilities are not mentioned, or you are supposed to identify, then how you can identify? Let's see the example. So in this diagram, see this how we can read. Probability of the initial state was rain, and the state changed from rain to rain. So what is the probability here? So rain to rain, the probability is 0.3. How you will read this? This is what initial state. Denominator is the initial state and numerator is the next state, that is state after the changing. Similarly, see here, the initial state was dry. After that, after the state change, again the next state is dry. So what is the probability? It is 0.8. Now see here, initial state is rain, and after rain the state is changed to dry. So how you will write this? Initial state is rain and next state changes to dry. The probability is 0.7. Probability of dry such that initial state was rain. Next, the probability of rain such that the initial state was dry. So that is what 0.2. Initially it was dry and after that transition the state is changed to rain. So that probability is 0.5. These initial probabilities were given, that is the P rain is 0.4 and P dry is 0.6. These are the initial probability which will be provided in the example. So now as we have seen that that initial probabilities are already given in the example, the sum of transitional probabilities is always, and sum of emission probabilities is always 1. Transitional probability and emission probability. Suppose you can see that rain, its emitted probability is what? 0.7. And along with this transitional probability, or we can say that what is the probability the rain is having for two different steps, that is rain to rain plus rain to dry. So we can see here with the help of initial probabilities, write down all the probabilities which we have just find out. We can see that the transitional probabilities are always 1. Similarly, emission probabilities are always 1. Emission probabilities, state changes from rain to rain. Similarly, state changes from rain to dry, that is 0.3 plus 0.7, that is 1. Similarly, state changes from dry to dry. Similarly, state changes from dry to rain. So 0.2 plus 0.8, that is 1. So this, whenever the any example will be in the given in the question paper, let's see that at any hidden node, the sum of, or in a simple language, in sum of all the sum of outgoing and incoming to that node, 0.3, that is income, that generally we can see that the transaction every here we can see that Okay, sum of what different output you are getting, okay, and what different inputs you are generating. So it is always, the sum is always 1. 0.7 plus 0.3 for the hidden state rain is 1. Similarly 0.8 and 0.2 for the hidden state dry. Sum of transitional and emission probability is always 1. Okay, now what is the problem then? Okay, problem is very simple. Suppose what they ask in our exam, such Markov chain is provided to you, okay, and you have to note down. If it is not given, okay, you have to find what will be the initial probabilities. You have to find probability for some sequence. Okay, so just see the example what they have asked us. Suppose we want to calculate the probability of sequence of state. First state was dry. Okay, how to read this sequence? First state was dry, then state changed from dry to dry, then state changes from dry to rain, then state changes from rain to rain. Okay, this is the only question. Calculate the probability for the given sequence: dry, dry, rain, rain. But remember how to read this. The first input was dry. Okay, that is the first state. Second input was dry, but how you will read that? First input was dry. Okay, second input, state changes from dry to dry. Okay, third, state changes from dry to rain. Okay, next, state changes from rain to rain. So just write this formula P, that is the probability for this particular sequence, and write down in the same sequence. Okay, the first sequence was probability when the state was dry, that is the initial probabilities. Okay, next, probability when state changes from dry to dry multiplied with the probability when state changes from dry to rain multiplied with the probability of rain, okay, state changes from rain to rain. Okay, dry multiplied with state changes from dry to dry multiplied with state changes from dry to rain multiplied with state changes from rain to rain. So how you will find? So see this, we have already find out this probability. Take the all probabilities and multiply together. Okay, so 0.3 into 0.2 into 0.8 into 0.6, so probability is 0.0288. so this is our final answer. Okay, hope you have understood this example. First, just recall the concept. The same, I will give one example which was asked in the previous question paper. Okay, on this same, that question will be the same, just like this explanation. First of all, in this example I have explained the two hidden state Markov chain. Here there were two hidden state, one state was rain, another state was dry. Okay, here what are the different possible sequences? Okay, state can be changed from dry to dry, state changes from dry to rain. Okay, these are the two possible sequence with the hidden state dry. Next, with the hidden state rain, what are the different possibility? That is initial probability, that is probability of rain. Okay, that is probability, that is the state, hidden state is in the rain state. Two different possibilities: state changes from dry to rain to dry, and state changes from rain to rain. Okay, so with the given example, just note down the given probabilities in the diagram. So the state changes from rain to rain, that is the probability with this, then with direct the self transition, that is 0.3. State changes from dry to dry, that is 0.8. Now state changes from rain to dry. Okay, how you will read? Numerator is the new state, denominator is the old state. So that is 0.7. State change from dry to rain, dry to rain. Okay, old state in the denominator and numerator new state, that is 0.2. These are the initial probabilities. These are the initial probabilities. Okay, initial probabilities also sum to the 1. Matlab, initial probability, addition of the initial probabilities also 1. Addition of the transitional probabilities along with the emission probability is always 1. Okay, so we have written this rain, then initial we have find out that key initial, as I told you, that probability is always 1. Next, this is what we calculated. Any sequence can be given to you. Okay, any sequence. They may give dry rain. Okay, or they may give rain dry, any different sequence they can provide. Here they have provided to find the probability sequence for dry rain. So how you have calculated? Write down the sequence which is given. Okay, now how you will read this? The first is always the single state. Okay, so that's why probability that the sequence is initial in the only single state, that is a probability of dry. Okay, now second states probability sequence changes from dry to dry. Okay, multiplied with sequence changes from dry to rain, sequence changes from rain to rain. Whatever the probability we have calculated or we have taken from the diagram, take as it is. Okay, and multiply together and you will get the final answer. Okay, thank you students. If you have any query, please post your query on the Google Classroom. I will send you the same one exercise on this hidden Markov model, so that it will be easy for you to identify whether you have understood this concept or not. Thank you.